Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of some code that is available through Horst Gens. I'm going to select these. Let's select these two pictures here. Click and click. And now I'm going to open the script from Horst Gens. This is merge meme. Open it up, and then it prompts you with a Python GUI window. And I'm going to merge these images horizontally, and I can change the order, but it doesn't really matter at this point. So I'm going to merge them, and I click OK. Click OK, and now you can see that the images have been merged. Let's take a look at them. The file is called merged image. That's very useful, and it's probably right there. And you can see the images have been merged. We got horizontal merge. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and show the vertical merge. We'll select these two scripts, merge meme, and bring the GUI over. Select vertical, click OK, and click OK, and we are good. And now you can see, yes, okay, so this is a byproduct of something that happens with the Google when I download Google Images. For whatever reason, it interprets these horizontal images as, or these vertical images as horizontal. And we can take a look at it. You can see it here. These should have been stacked differently. And so just for giggles, let's go ahead and select both of these, right click, and then merge meme. Here are the two images. Let's go ahead and stack them vertically and see what happens. Click OK, and now you can see that the image has taken this broad image and then stacked it, and then the vertical image got stacked on the top. And if we look at our dimensions, you'll see that it's quite large, 4,000 by 4,900, which is kind of cool. But it gets interesting when we can add some text. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll go ahead and select all four of these, script, and then merge meme. And you can see it's got all four images there. Now let's add some text. Thank you, Horst Gens. And I'm going to bump up the font here to say 52. And let's choose the color. And we'll make the color kind of bluish. That looks good. Maybe a little darker. Click OK. And we're going to merge these as vertical. Click OK. And click OK. And don't see the text in this. It might be at the bottom of this file. Let's take a look and close this. Oh, I shouldn't have closed that, but that's all right. And let's sort this by modified. Here is our new modified image. There it is, right in the middle, super tiny font. So let's go ahead and do I'm just going to randomly grab a couple of pictures now. And scripts, merge meme. And let's go ahead and add some more text. More text. And I'll pump the font up and select font file. I'll leave the font file. Let's see, browse. We'll go with free serif. I don't know what that looks like. And click OK, change our color. And let's go with something a little darker. Click OK. Font is 114. Click OK. Oh, quadratic. Oh, it did work. Interesting. It picked up the 4 images. So now we have a quadratic image. I'm going to bump up the font again to make this bigger. Click OK, and there it is. And we can take this as big as we want. And there it is. All right, so let's go ahead and close out of that. Go to our modified image, and you can see how big it is right there. And we open it, and there it is centered on our 4 images, the text that was created using the script right here. So go take a look at Horst Jen's webpage. I'll put the link in the description here. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.